Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're using a fun bilingual song to learn real conversation Spanish. You'll learn greetings, feelings, verbs, and everyday expressions you can use right away. Let's begin. Before listening to the song, repeat these everyday Spanish expressions with me. Listen and repeat. Hola, buenos días, me siento feliz, es un buen día. Again, hola, buenos días, me siento feliz, es un buen día. Great! Let's listen to them in the song.
Hello, good morning. Hola, buenos días. The sun is shining. El sol está brillando. I feel so happy. Me siento muy feliz. It's a good, good day. Es un buen, buen día.
In the phrase hola, buenos días, you can use hola anytime. However, buenos días, you can use it until around noon. In the next phrase, el sol está brillando, we have the verb brillar, and el sol está brillando is a present continuous form, as we say the sun is shining. Next, we have me siento muy feliz. So this expression me siento is the reflexive form, meaning I feel. So you can use emotions after it. Yeah, you can say me siento cansado, me siento triste, me siento tranquilo. Yes? And remember that you have to be careful with the genre. Yes? So in my case, that I'm a female, I say me siento cansada, right? Me siento tranquila, okay? But if you are a man, yeah, you can say me siento cansado, me siento tranquilo. And let's see the next phrase. Hoy es un buen día. So we have hoy es, which means today is. And we can say hoy es un buen día, hoy es un día ocupado, hoy es un día especial. Yes? So you can use these phrases. Now you have to complete the sentence using the correct verb form. Let's start with the first one. Okay. So the correct sentence here is Yo me siento feliz hoy. Let's continue with the second exercise. Then the correct answer is Nosotros caminamos juntos por el parque. And the last exercise. The correct form is El sol está brillando. And now you're going to repeat and change the ending of these sentences. For instance, hoy es un buen día. We can also say hoy es un día ocupado. Hoy es un día especial. So you can use hoy es un día and then complete it. In this exercise, you'll find the mistake. Let's see the first one. We have two ideas here. We have me siento feliz, then a period, and then es un buen día. Let's check the next exercise. The correct answer is hoy es un buen día. Now you repeat these sounds with me. Let's start with la R. We have the sound of R, like sonrío, brillando, árboles. Sonrío, brillando, árboles. The next letter is ñ, la ñ. We have sueño, año. Sueño, año. And finally we have la J, juntos. Juntos. So now you are going to tell me which word has the ñ sound. Juntos, sueño, árboles. The correct answer is sueño. Thank you for learning Spanish with me today. If you want more fun bilingual lessons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Hasta luego!